Good morning, children. This is Shoaib speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 14, that's about factorization. So far, we have completed many questions. We have done question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. There are various kinds of divisions of algebraic expressions we have so far done. So here in this video, we are going to understand some various concepts, some different concepts of division of algebraic expressions. So I'm starting from question number 4, question number 1. That's about 5 into 2x plus 1. I'm just copying the question. 5 into 2x plus 1 within bracket. Again 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Now see children, how can we solve it? We have to solve in a very usual technique which we have been using right from very beginning. I'll just write them in a form of division as we write in fractional cases. 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 will remain as it is, divided by 2x plus 1 will be within the bracket. Now children, as we can see here, this 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 both are present in the place of numerator as well as in the place of denominator. So this 2x plus 1 and this 2x plus 1 can be cancelled. Finally, I have got 5 into 3x, 3x plus 5. So children, here we can see there is nothing in the place of denominator. That means it's 1. So it's better not to write 1. We don't have to mention 1 over here. Simply we can leave our answer like this, 5 into 3x plus 5. So children, you don't have to multiply, you don't have to divide. Just simply by cancelling, we can bring our answer. If we talk about the next question, question number 2 is equally likewise we have to solve as we have done in question number 1. Question number 2, Roman 2 of numeral 4 is 26xy into x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided by 13x within bracket y minus 4. Now you might be thinking, sir, it's so difficult form. The question looks so difficult. How can we solve? No, children, it's very simple. In a very simple way, we can solve it. Have a look how to solve it. This y minus 4 and this y minus 4. Y minus 4 is present in both the place of numerator as well as in denominator. So this y minus 4 can be cancelled directly from up and down. Now this 13x, x of 13 and x of 26 can be cancelled. 13 can reduce 26, 13 twos are 26. Finally, what do I have? I have got 2 in the numerator into x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5 in the numerator, and down there is nothing means what? 1. So naturally we can write 2 into x plus 5. That is only our answer. Next question, question number 3, how to solve. Instead of explaining number 3, I prefer to explain question number 5 because I find this question a bit different than other two questions. Question number 5. 5 is x into, I'm talking about Roman 5 of numeral 4. X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 1. Children, how to solve it? Very simple. Again, the process which you have solved the sums number 1 and 2, likewise we have to solve number 5. So here x and x can be cancelled because x is outside of the bracket. X is outside of the bracket and it is not under any operation like plus or minus. So this x can be cancelled directly, and this x plus 1 and this x plus 1 will be cancelled. So finally, what do I have? I have got x plus 2 in the place of numerator and x plus 3 in the place of numerator. And there is nothing in the place of denominator, means it's 1. It is 1. So just you can leave your answer like this. So children, this was the explanation of question number 5. Now I would like to explain, I would like to switch over to the next question. Numerical 5, Roman number 1. Roman number 1 of numerical 5. It's y square plus 7y plus 10, divide it by y plus 5. Now you might be thinking, sir, oh my God, it's so difficult. No, the numerator will go through middle term factorization process. Now, how middle term factorization, children? Very simple. Let's see. Y square plus 7y can be factorized as 5 plus 2 y plus 10. In the previous classes, I have already explained how to find middle term factorization. So now, how can we solve it? We can solve in this way. Y square plus 5 will be multiplied with y, it will be 5y. 2 will be multiplied with y, it will be 2y. 2y plus 10. And the down, what do I have? I have y plus 5. Now, simple, just by using simple mathematics, algebraic concept, y will be taken common, y plus 5 will be left within the bracket, and from 2y plus 10, 2 will be taken common, what will be left? Y plus 5. And the down, what do I have? Right from the beginning, I have got y plus 5. Now, this y plus 5 and this y plus 5 is common. In twice it's used, so I'll write y plus 5 only once. And the leftover numbers will be coming within one bracket, y plus 2. And down, I have got y plus 5. So this y plus 5 and this y plus 5 will be cancelled. My final answer will be y plus 2, which is in the place of numerator. No rocket science, simply we can solve this sum. I believe my explanation is very clear to everyone. If there is any doubts and confusion, feel free to speak to me, and please do try out these sums and submit your work in the Google Classroom as well as in my personal WhatsApp. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.